Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joy. If you're joining me for the first time, thank you for clicking on this video. Do hit that subscribe button and also like this video. Turn on your post notification bell so that each time I upload a video you'll be notified. So in today's video I'm going to be putting on a protective style, and the protective style I'm going to be putting on is called the 2-strand twist. So if you're here and you don't know how to do a 2-strand twist, this is by far the simplest hairstyle you're going to do. It's just basically sectioning your hair, and as you can see, I divided that section into two, and I'm just going to be going in a clockwise motion and rolling each section on top of each other, so to say. So that's just basically how to do a 2-strand twist, just rolling it clockwise or anti-clockwise as the case may be, and just wrapping it, yes, kind of wrapping it around each other to get a perfect twist. I've been making my hair for almost 2 years now. I've been growing my natural hair, and guys, 2-strand twist is by far the simplest hairstyle that you can make. I love making it because it's easy to install and it's also easy to take down. So I get asked this question a lot of times, like, what products do I use? Guys, I use my DIY products to make my hair. I've been doing that for over a year now. What I use is just my spray bottle with my, it's either I have a tea rinse or liquid leave-in conditioner on my spray bottle, and I just spray it all over my hair and apply my hair oil. I make that myself. I apply my DIY hair butter. I also make that myself. So basically the products I use are all made by me. Like, I have a lot of DIYs on my channel, so you can also check my channel. You see how I make these products that I use on my hair. So that's all I use. I'm not much on products. I just use the little that is needed for my hair. So as you can see, I'm just going section by section, and I'm doing a medium twist. I'm not doing like very little twist, because guys, it takes time to really get my hair done. So maybe some other time I'll try doing a very mini twist if I have the chance or the time to do that. But for now, this is the size of twist that I'm very comfortable with and doesn't take much of my time. So if you're like me and you love to make your hair yourself, coupled with other responsibilities like being a mom, or maybe you have other jobs or businesses that keeps you fully occupied, then you know that finding this a hairstyle that is not just faster but easier to make is a must in your natural hair journey. That is, if you do consider, of course, going natural. So one thing that is very important is to make sure that you're starting off with a freshly washed hair, deep conditioned hair before, you know, making your twist, so that you don't have problems with itchy scalp and all that. Make sure that all the nice treatments you want to give to your hair, you do that before installing your twist. Let me know in the comment section, what is your favorite hairstyle? You find twists an amazing hairstyle. Some people like to do braids. Some people find braids kind of better than twists. Well, it depends. I'm actually getting better and better at twisting my hair, and faster also. Benefits of making your hair can never be overemphasized. It helps you to retain more length because you will be very gentle and careful with your hair so as not to break it. You will also get to understand your hair better than anyone else, But if for some reason you can't make your hair yourself, then there are natural hairstylists that specializes mainly on taking care of natural hair. I'm sure you will find a lot of them on Instagram, on Facebook, that are close to you and for a very affordable price. So your liquid can also be a leave-in conditioner, so you just have to figure out what helps you with moisture the most, and that is exactly what I put into consideration each time I formulate my products, because I want to have something that will really keep my hair moisturized for a long period of time, because moisture, as we know, is the key ingredient to having length retention and a healthy hair growth journey. So when you do want to buy your own hair products, say like a hair butter, do make sure that you check the ingredients label and see if it has a very good amount of moisturizing properties, so that you know exactly what it is that you're putting in your hair per time, if it does help you or not. So this is what my hair is looking like. I guess you can see this. This is how my twist is looking like. Very soft, like very soft. I was just admiring this, and it's very beautiful and very fast. I was surprised. I was very fast with this, and this is how my twist is looking. It's not tight on my scalp. It's very, very, very easy to make, like the simplest hairstyle ever. So I'm going to be keeping this for probably 2 weeks before I take it down. And thank you guys for watching. That will be all for this video. Please do hit that like button, guys. Please hit that like button if you love my hairstyle. It's very unique and easy, sharp. And also click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.